Hello, I'm Ben from Topaz Detailing, and today we're at Topaz Midlands with this. This is one of the most controversial cars released in recent times, the Ferrari 849 Testarossa. I think we've got to start by talking about the name. What does Testarossa mean? Now, Testarossa translates roughly to redhead in Italian, and that refers to the red cam covers on the original 250 Testarossa, and then that followed through to the 512 Testarossa. Now, this car, being the 849, as you can see, it's designed in a very futuristic way, and I think a lot of people were confused about that when it first launched. Most people think it's an SF90 or a continuation of. However, Testarossa means a new design language in terms of Ferrari. With this, it's got so many different features, so many different cutaways, you can tell that it definitely continues in that futuristic design language. So as I mentioned, people might compare this to the outgoing Ferrari SF90. It's hard to believe the SF90 was released 7 years ago, and this is the sort of direct replacement. It is still powered by the same 4-litre twin-turbo V8, but this time it's producing 10 more horsepower. And around Fiorano, thanks to 25 kilos more downforce as well, thanks to these lovely fins at the rear, it laps a second and a half faster than SF90, which I think is truly remarkable. This Ferrari is one of the first in the UK. However, there are 3 currently at different Topaz sites being PPF'd. And that is what this 849 is here for today, to be fully PPF'd by the team here at Topaz Midlands.
It's not just Topaz Midlands that get to look after the new Ferrari 849 Testarossa. Here in Bristol, we have a beautiful example of it finished in blue Corsa from our dealer partners, Ferrari Swindon, that's had full Topaz PPF.
So here we are, the car is complete, and doesn't it look good? Now this car is the demo from Greypool Nottingham, one of our dealer partners, and it's finished in Giallo Modena. I previously mentioned the fins around the car, and that gives me a great opportunity to talk about the various elements that make the design so unusual, but so cool, starting with the fins. Now, they not only help towards that 25 kilos of downforce compared to the SF90, along with the underbody aero, of course, but they also look so cool, adding to that flared look and making the car look so sleek. And moving to the front of the car, we have various design elements from cars of the past and the future, starting with the dreaded bar across the bonnet. Now, I'm a fan of this, however, I'm sure some people aren't. Either way, it's here to stay, and this car, I think, looks great. We also have these 2 elements at the front that sort of stick out. These are harking back to racing Ferraris of the past. I think they add to the design rather well. So, moving inside the Ferrari 849 Testarossa, it is a wonderful place to be. The entire interior has been fully redesigned, and the best thing of all, buttons are back. As well as that, we've got the badging over here, just in case you forget what you're driving. We've got the passenger display, the gear selector here, which is starting to look like manual Ferraris of the past. And of course, this wonderful, wonderful leather interior. It is finished so beautifully with this fabric, the Alcantara, the leather. It's such a great place to be. And I'm sure to drive, this is absolutely lovely. Well, that is all from me. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked the video, and I hope you also like the 849 Testarossa. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below.